What is up guys, welcome to a brand new video of Absolute Digital. In this video, I will show you how you can follow an artist on Spotify. So let's start this video by launching the Spotify app. Now to follow an artist, you have to search for that artist on Spotify. And for that, you have to tap on the search icon at the bottom of the screen. Now tap on the search bar and search for your favorite artist. And you will see their profile on the search results. Now tap on their username and it will take you to their profile. Now if you scroll down below, you will see some information about that artist and some other suggestions. And you can also listen to this artist by tapping on the play button. And then if you want to follow this artist, then tap on follow on top right corner. And this is how you can follow an artist on Spotify. So if you find this video helpful, then do drop a like and make sure to subscribe for more tutorials. I will see you in the next one.